Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, I am Abdul Karim Paracha, and today we will be solving the mathematics O-level mathematics paper of May-June 2023. So without any delay, let us just start this paper. And पहला क्वेश्चन जो हमारे पास आता है is finding out the difference, starting with the simpler questions. And this is very easy. You can always, whenever you are subtracting, you can always write a sum. 3.25 minus 1.73. This is the simplest thing. 5 minus 3 is 2. Again, 2 is smaller than 7, so we have to borrow the number. This will become 2, this will become 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 1.52. Next question. 1.2 square. The square of 1.2. So the square of 1.2, you guys know what is the square of 12, right? If you don't know, you must know it. Must memorize this stuff. The square of 12 is 144. 144. And similarly, if we are taking the square of 1.2, so what will happen? 1.2 multiplied by 1.2, so it must be 1.44. This is the shortest way to do this thing. And if you want to do it in detail, what you have to do, you have to just multiply 1.2, multiply 1.2, 2 to the 4, again 2 ones are 2, cross over here, 2 ones are 2, and 1 ones are 1. So it is 144 and point over here. So this will become 144. Okay. Next. Next thing is the diagram shows a circle with center O. A straight line touches the circle. This straight line is touching the circle over here. And complete each label with correct mathematical name. A radius has been labeled for you. The radius has been labeled for you. What is this line called? This line is touching this circle at one point. When a line is touching a circle at one point, it is called tangent. ये क्या कहलाता है? Tangent कहलाता है. This is tangent. And what about this thing? When a circle is being divided into parts such that it is being divided from the radius or the center of the circle, a part is made such that it looks like a pie chart. Okay, so this one part of this pie chart is known as sector. Okay, easiest way to define this thing is a part of the pie chart is known as sector. Next thing. Next question, write these numbers in order of size, starting with the smallest. Most of the students, they do the mistake over here when they have to represent or they have to arrange them in order. Okay, they do the mistake. Either you must convert them into percentage, or you must convert them into fraction, or you must convert them into decimal. Okay, but you must convert them into one form. For example, over here we have uh, two decimals and two fractions and one percentage. So it is very easy if we convert all the numbers into decimals. For example, 5 over 8, you need to convert them into decimal, and without using calculator means 5 divided by 8. There will be a decimal over here. and a 0 over here. So this become 50, 8 5 is a 40, 8 6 is a 48. Again a 0 over here and 8 to the 16. 4 is the remainder and again a 0 and it will become 8 5 to 40. So 6.0.625 is when we convert this into fraction into decimal, it becomes 0.625. And what about this one? This one is very easy. It is 0.62 because it is 62 divided by 100. So whenever a number is being divided by 100, that means what? 0. For example, it is 62. 62 divided by 100 means a decimal will travel towards the left. Okay, it will come over here. So it will become 0.62. Okay. Next is 11 upon 20. 11 upon 20. So 11 upon 20 means 11 inside and 20 outside. And again, we need a point over here, decimal over here, and 0 over here. So it is 110. So 25 is a 100. 25 is a 100. 10 is the remainder. Again, decimal is over there. We can put a 0. So it will become 25 is a 100. So it is 0 point. It will become 0.55. And this is 0.595. Now all the numbers, they are converted into decimals. But you need to take care that when you are arranging the numbers in order, you must not write the derived number, which is, for example, if you want to write 0.625, you will not write 0.625, you will write 5 upon 8. This is the key for this answer, okay? So, um, smallest number first, 0.55 is seems to be the smallest one. 0.55 means 11 upon 20, not 0.55. We will not write 0.55. We will write 11 upon 20 and then 0.595 because it is originally mentioned as 0.595. And afterwards, we have 0.62. 0.62 is the smallest. And then we have 0.625, which is 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8. And then we have 0.65. Okay. So these numbers will be arranged like this. Next question. At a midday, the temperature is 8 degrees centigrade. At midnight, the temperature is 12 degrees centigrade lower than 8 degrees centigrade. Means find the temperature difference. Means you need to find the temperature difference. The difference is mentioned. Sorry, you need to find the temperature at midnight. You need to find the difference is mentioned, and you need to find the temperature difference. Sorry, temperature at midnight. So it is 8 minus lower means 12 degrees lower means 8 minus 12. Again, since this number 8 is greater than lower than 12, so the answer will be on the negative side. So consider the number line. 8 is over here and you have to go 12 steps back, means minus 12. So where will you end? Minus 8 steps, minus 8 steps back, you will be at 0. Minus 8, you will be at 0. And again, you have to go back 4 steps further. So minus 4, you have to go back 4 steps further. So it will be minus 4. Answer will be minus 4. I hope you guys are understanding. And by the way, this method is known as number line. Okay, number line. I hope you guys are familiar with it. Okay, Shazia records the temperature in degrees centigrade at 6 a.m. every day for 1 week. So at 6 a.m. every day for 1 week, Shazia is recording the temperature, and all the temperatures are in degrees centigrade. Find the median. You have to find the median. Mean median mode, statistics over here. So first of all, you have to arrange these numbers. Okay, before finding the median, you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Means the smallest will come first and then the large. And so the smallest one over here is say -7. So -7 will come first, then -5, then -2, and 7 gone, -5 gone, -2 gone. Then we have -1, -1 gone. Then we have 2, and 2 5s are over there. We have to arrange them like this in ascending order. And you have to find the median. Median means the middle value. Middle value. So middle value, how many days are over there? For 1 week, it is 7 days. So 3 days on the left and 3 days on the right, the middle value will be -1. Okay. Since we need to find the middle value, 1, 2, 3, 3 days on the left and 3 days on the right, the middle value is -1. So the median will be -1 degree centigrade. Okay. Next, find the range. We need to find the range of values. So for the range, it is the greatest value minus the smallest value. Greatest is this minus the smallest. Smallest is again in on the negative side, so it will be uh, -7 minus -7. So this will become 5 plus 7, 12. 12 will be the range of temperature. Okay, means greatest minus the lowest. Next is Maya invest $480 at a rate. Maya invest at $480 at a rate of 2% per year. Simple interest. This is simple interest question. Okay, calculate the total amount of interest she receives at the end of 5 years. After 5 years, how much amount will she receive? Total amount of interest on. We are not talking about the main investment. Okay, we are talking about the interest one. So this one is very simple. First, we have to calculate the amount she will be receiving at the end of each year. Okay, so interest after 1 year, and then you have to interest amount after 1 year or per year. Per year interest. What will it be? It will be 2% of 480. Okay, 10 gone, 0 gone, and this is 10, and this is 48 multiplied by 2. It is 96 upon 10, which is 9.6. Okay, 48 multiplied by 2 is 96. Twice of the double of 48 is 96. So 96 divided by 10. Again, the decimal will move towards the left, and 96 will become 96 will become this will move towards the left, and 96 will become 9.6. So it is 9.6 for 1 year, and since we are talking about 5 years, time period is of 5 years, then it is 9.6 multiplied by 5. 5, 6, 30, 0 carry 3, and 9 5s are 45 plus 3, 48. 48. And since we have one decimal over here, so it will come over here. So she will be receiving $48. Okay. So the question was, Maya invest $480 at a rate of 2% per year. Simple interest. It was a question of simple interest. Calculate the total amount of interest she received at the end of 5 years. So total amount of interest she received at the end of 5 years. First of all, we can calculate the interest amount after 1 year, and which was $9.6. And then we multiplied it with 5. We got $48.